Hi, today we will learn how to make this beautiful Rani sitting in the window. To make this, the artist has first drawn the queen or the Rani in a cardboard. Then cut it out with scissor or knife. Then the artist has started painting the Rani. After painting the whole body, the artist has used cone liner to make the jewelry and the designs in the body of this Rani or queen. Now we will put the queen in the window like this. For this we need the window. For making the window, at first we have cut out the cardboard in the size, in the shape of window, and then color it with fabric color with yellow color, and then pasted the mirror on it. We can use different shapes of mirror to decorate the window. After this, we have to clean the mirrors properly to make it shiny. Now it's time to put the Rani in the window. So we have applied Fevicol in the back of the Rani and we have placed the Rani in the proper position in the window. Now you can see how gorgeous it is looking. Now the finishing touch of this craft is left. We have just paste some more mirror inside this window to look it more beautiful. So you can see this is the final outcome of this beautiful craft.